There's something magical about hitting the open road, wind in your hair, and not a care in the world. But wait, imagine taking your hands off the wheel and letting the car do all the work. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, folks, welcome to the new world, according to Elon Musk. Now, if you haven't heard of Tesla, you're probably living under a rock. And even then, I bet there's a Tesla parked on top of it. Tesla is not just a car, it's a revolution. While traditional car companies are still playing with fuel injectors, Tesla is out here playing 4D chess, reshaping the very way we look at transportation. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're talking about Elon Musk, the real-life Tony Stark, and his brainchild, Tesla, where cars aren't just made but innovated. Tesla cars. Each Tesla model isn't just engineered, it's crafted like a piece of art. Its features are so innovative that you think they were pulled straight out of a sci-fi flick. We're talking Falcon wing doors, folks, yes. They're as cool as they sound, and autopilot capabilities that make your old GPS look like a relic. Under the floorboard, Tesla's engineering is a symphony of innovation. These electric wonders ditch the clinky old engines of yesteryear for smooth, silent, and supremely efficient electric motors. 0 to 60 in the blink of an eye, making less noise than a cat on a carpet. But it's not just about speed and silence, it's about sustainability. Tesla's electric beauties are on a mission to make gas cars a thing of the past. In a world where your car doesn't sip fuel but sips sunlight, Tesla's solar integration isn't just changing the game, it's changing the rules, the players, and even the stadium. And let's talk tech, because a ride in a Tesla is like having front row seats at a tech expo. The interior is sprinkled with gadgets. The centerpiece is a touchscreen display that's more spaceship than sedan. It controls everything from your seat position to your driving mode, and probably can make a mean digital espresso if you ask it nicely. Every drive in a Tesla is a VIP experience, with software updates that ensure your car gets better, smarter, and cooler with time. It's like having a car that evolves, a vehicle that's not stuck in the year you bought it but keeps pace with the times, ensuring you're always cruising in the fast lane of tech innovation. And regarding safety, these cars are armed with sensors, cameras, and radars. Autopilot isn't just about convenience, it's engineered to be safer than the best human driver. Tesla cars perfectly blend style, speed, safety, and sustainability. Where else can you find a car that looks like $1 million, feels like a spaceship, and respects Mother Earth like a true gentleman? Tesla Insurance. So, imagine you've got your shiny new Tesla. Who better to insure your car than the very people who built it? Tesla Insurance isn't your grandma's insurance policy, oh no. It's custom tailored, pick your adjective, but it essentially means it's crafted just for Tesla owners by the wizards who know them inside out. What makes it a game changer? Speed and simplicity. When it takes to boil an egg, you can get a quote, sign up, and be covered. No paperwork, waiting periods, or mysterious insurance speak that you need a PhD to understand. And the cost can be as friendly to your wallet as the cars are to the environment. Rates make traditional insurance look like daylight robbery. It's insurance that evolves with your car. Remember those over-the-air updates we talked about before? Imagine your insurance policy getting smarter, leaner, and more cost-effective as your car does. In the Tesla universe, your insurance is a living, breathing entity, always optimizing and improving. So, in a world where insurance was as exciting as watching paint dry, Tesla has fired up the rockets and launched it into a galaxy where simplicity, affordability, and innovation orbit around the owners. Tesla financing. You will probably think you need to sell an organ or two to get your hands on one of those. Hold on to your kidneys, because Elon Musk and co. have sprinkled some of their innovation magic to make owning a Tesla as easy as pie. And who doesn't love pie? Tesla financing is like that golden ticket Willy Wonka handed out, but unlike Wonka's golden ticket, this one's not a rare gem. It's accessible, transparent, and doesn't require fighting off a horde of golden egg-obsessed kids. There are no smoke and mirrors, just straightforward options to get you from pedestrian to proud Tesla owner faster than a Tesla goes from 0 to 60. Leasing is not just an option but a doorway to a hassle-free experience where you can live the Tesla life without the strings of ownership. If you're looking at buying, step right into tailored loan options where the terms are as flexible as a gymnast and the rates are as sweet as a summer breeze. And with the online application process so swift, you think it's powered by a Falcon 9 rocket. This is not science fiction, folks. It's a reality, engineered and refined by the Tesla wizards in the labs and roads. Every update, every model released, is a stepping stone towards a world where driving is not a task but an experience, where you're not a driver but a privileged passenger in a journey choreographed by artificial intelligence. This level of autonomy is changing the game, the players, the very playground we've known. The traditional combustion engines, The hums and roars and the gear shifts become echoes of a nostalgic yet distant past. Cars that communicate, adapt, and navigate the intricacies of our world. That's the future Tesla is not just envisioning but building. Welcome to the Tesla era, where driving isn't a task but a journey, and where every road, every mile is a step into a future written in the stars, engineered on Earth, and realized in every silent hum of a Tesla's engine, every curve of its elegant design, and every smile of its privileged passenger. The future, dear friends, is now, and it's electric. But what are your thoughts on Tesla and its bright features? Let us know in the comment section. Remember to like and subscribe so you never miss the exciting content we send you.